Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. My name is S and I'm vlogging live here in the land down under. For those of you who are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I vlog live here in Australia, like migration, technology, food and finances. So if you're interested, please again feel free to subscribe, and I thank you guys. So for today's video, I thought of sharing with you guys my migration journey. So I will detail to you guys the step-by-step process on how I migrated to Australia. So if you're interested in this content, please continue watching. Before I even begin this video, I would like to make a quick disclaimer, guys. I'm not a migration expert, and please do not consider this as a legal advice. I'm just sharing my personal experiences, hoping that I could help someone out there. So please take everything that I say with a grain of salt. The first step, you guys, is to determine if you really would like to migrate or not. Migration, this is a very huge life decision. It means you are completely changing your lifestyle. It means you are leaving everything behind, your current living situation in your own country, in your comfort zone, and it means you are taking a risk. You might fail, you might be successful, who knows, but it means that you are, taking a risk and starting a new life in a foreign land. So that's the first step. Would you really like to migrate or not? Once you've decided that you're finally migrating, guys, this is the time that you do your due diligence, research, find out information on how it would cost you, what are the requirements, the documents required for migration, how much would it cost. Has someone done it before and was able to succeed? Cost. You start preparing financially, mentally, and emotionally. Step number 3 would be determining which visa is most suitable for you. So either you'll go here via work visa or family staying visa, such as partner visa, which is the visa that I lodged. And then you can also opt to study or go for the training visa. There are also other visas such as refugee or humanitarian visa, and of course yung mga tourist visa. But you don't want to do the tourist visa because your goal is to migrate. So either you lodge pala offshore or onshore, and that would entirely depend on you, on how you would like to do it. But again, I would suggest that if you guys aren't sure, go ahead and just, hire a migration agent. And again, take everything that I say with a grain of salt. Sabi dito, your entire life can really change in a year. But I'd say it can take more years. But yeah, you will eventually go there, right? So number four step would be gathering all of the required documents. If you're planning to lodge a visa going to Australia, you have to show everything. Like you have to attach all the documents that would prove that you do this, you do that. You need to have a proof for everything. So as for me and Rodney, it took us 4 years for us to be able to complete everything. This is to show the immigration that our relationship is real, it's genuine, and it's continuing. So what did Rodney and I do? We got married, we acquired properties together, we travel together. So it means I have to save all of those e-tickets and all of those tickets for accommodations or hotels, and then we have to open joint financial accounts together, such as bank accounts, mutual fund accounts, insurance, and things like that. Pretty intense, right? But if you really love each other, and if you really are determined to get your wife or get your husband or partner, you're willing to do all of that. So just so thankful that I have my husband willing to do all of those things for us. Meanwhile, if you're doing the work stream, make sure to check the Department of Immigration website, just to make sure that your skills is actually one of those skills that's in demand here in Australia. And then you can do the PR points, which I can probably, the PR points calculator, which I can probably link in the description box below. So here in Australia, if you're trying to migrate, it is done via point system. It's based on your age. So the best age to go here is between 25 to 33. And then based on your work experiences, and again, kapag yung skills nyo ay nandun sa list na mga in-demand na skills dito sa Australia. And of course, you need to have proficient or superior English so that you get the maximum points. Migration agent, they have like connections here in Australia. They can help you connect to the companies that will possibly hire you for a job, and they will be able to give you the best migration advices. So number five is you have to know the cost. So it would include visa cost, it would include the agent cost, it would include the ticket cost. If say for example you need to take exams like yung mga English tests such as PTE and IELTS, you also need to know the cost of those. And kung kailangan nyo mag-refresher ng English, kailangan alam nyo din yung mga cost na mga yun. So, as for me, yung cost ko is, for my visa, which is partner visa, it's $7,150 or something like that. So, approximately 250,000 pesos. I have to also consider the plane cost. Yung pagpunta ko dito, which is the plane ticket, was 31,000, if I'm not mistaken, 31,000 pesos. So pagdating dito, you also have to consider accommodation. What are you gonna be renting, or are you gonna be living with your relatives or cousin? That's one thing that you need to consider as well. Give yourself a budget, like a pocket money. Say for example, you're still looking for a job, so you would also need to consider those. Number 6 and the final step is lodge your visa. Wait, and then pack your life away once you get the visa approved. It gave me a realization when I was packing my stuff. So yeah, when I was packing my stuff, I thought that, yeah, this is it. I'm leaving the Philippines. I'm going to another country. I'm gonna start a new beginning. Whew, that's hard. That's deep. That's crazy. So yeah. So guys, if you have failed in the past, don't worry about it. You can start anew. You can always start anew. And it's making me emotional, which is bad, right? I'm not meant to be emotional. So this is all positive vibes anyway. But yeah, don't worry about your past mistakes. Of course, you have to be careful of not doing the same mistakes again and again, because that means you are failing in life. But if you fail in the past, it doesn't matter. You can always get up and you can always start again, and you can always make your new beginning a better one. So you can always still better your life. And don't worry about your haters. Don't worry about the people that judge you. They are not important. It's not important. You just go on with your life. You just go ahead and do your stuff. What makes you happy. And if you're a good person, everything will just follow. So let them judge you. Let them hate you. Whatever. Doesn't matter. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from it. I know I got a bit emotional, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit like and please comment down below. Meron ba kayo mga moments na na-judge kayo at sinabi ng iba na hindi kayo magtatagumpay? Pero ginawa nyo lahat. You give it your best. And yeah, here you are. Share the story. I would love to hear success stories down below. Hopefully it will inspire others too. And join me in my next video next week. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Mwah.